Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, Google has found another platform to inject more AI into, and this time it's Gmail. And Google has started rolling out a change that apparently will sort your email search results by most relevant instead of the usual chronological order that a lot of users are used to. Now, this is all according to an announcement by Google yesterday on the 20th of March, with Google saying this is a smarter search feature powered by AI to show you the most relevant results faster. So that's how they're describing this. And if we just head over to an image provided, and I do apologize for the quality because I had to zoom into this image quite a bit. Google has said that instead of showing emails in chronological order, here to the left, based on keywords, Gmail search results now factors in elements like recency, most clicked emails, and frequent contacts. So with this update, the emails you're looking for are far more likely to be at the top of your search results, which they say can save you time and help you find important information more easily. So what we're looking at here is a search view before and after. Now, search results are sorted by relevance instead of in chronological order to help you find your intended result faster, according to Google. Now, Google says that the most relevant search results are rolling out globally for users with personal Google accounts and can be accessed on the web and in the official Gmail app for Android and iOS. And once available in your account, you can toggle between most relevant and most recent results, which I'm glad, obviously, they've given us a bit of option there. And they say that this feature will expand to business users in the future. So, like it or not, AI is yet to stay, it seems. And Gmail now is the next platform to get search results using AI. So, thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next one.